Yes, hello. My name is Francis Mok. This is my concrete mixer I want to put up for rent. It goes for 50,000 for 12 hours. It's fully functional. You can see I have two, but this one we need to change the engine. But everything else is in very perfect condition. But this is the one that we are using now. You can see the millers, as you can see, is in perfect working condition. Perfect working condition. No? Let me show you the engine. That is the engine. Although it needs a little servicing, but everything is in perfect working condition. So get in touch.